turn the lights on so the camera can see. It hit you. Oh, it swooped at you like the blue jay. I got Brownie in this crowd. Oh, they went in your suitcase. A grouchy one. Rah! His brother. Oops, dead one. I'm totally spaced out. Here's Harry, remember? Harry. Hi, everybody. Uncle George Weasel. Brownie!
Hi, people. Look at my mohawk.
I don't know if they'll see that. Here, let me try.
Show it. Look at his all his hair.
And he has a mohawk.